Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide transaction in Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So hiding your transaction in Cash App is feasible or not, we will be discussing about it in this video. So for this, first of all, simply tap open your Cash App. So once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where you will be shown all your cash balance and stuff. So now if you are going to go on your transaction section by tapping on your savings or your withdrawals or your money, you will be ending up in this kind of interface. Here you will find all the transactions that has been made. However, there is not a direct option to hide or delete your transaction on your Cash App. So Cash App has not made this feature available till now, but we can still wait for this feature in the future. So this is the answer, that we cannot hide a transaction on your Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.